You guys, welcome back. So today I have an awesome idea. I was thinking about welding two trucks together. So yeah. So we're gonna be welding. Let's do the Gmcs. Gmc. We were going to be welding two of these together. I am so ready for this. Alright. Getting a tow winch just in case it breaks apart and I need something to hold it up. Yeah, Devi update. I'm gonna need my welding stuff, obviously. And this should be everything we need. Then we're gonna go to my shop. So, here's the money. Alright, checked out. I'm ready. This is gonna be amazing. Alright, well, I'll see y'all at the... never mind. I'm gonna just go to the shop. I definitely never sold this one. Because I actually moved into a bigger shop. I'll show y'all that after the creation. Yeah, this isn't my private server. I don't know why. Okay, so let me get everything set up. Well, there's not really anything to set up. Okay. Let's do it. Let me get this other truck here. Like, magical. Setup's actually pretty cool. Alright guys, let me get this off the bed. Alright, what the heck? Alright. That bed's off. There's another bed. Yeah. It took a lot of time. Alright, I have to get these lined up really good. I might even say how to do this. Alright, look at this. Well, I mean, that's pretty straight. Alright, I need to start welding. Let's get that ground clamp down. Guys, around here, what's going on? Okay, we're welding. Yeah, I'm trying my best not to burn the tires. It is what it is. Oops. Alright. I will them together. Like that. Then, yeah, we're not done. We gotta move them in. Alright. Alright, guys. Look at this. Yeah. It's 5 days of welding later. Made sure everything's nice. Had to run some new tubing. Yeah. See from either way. Alright, let's go driving around. Yep, our weld might not. Oh. Yikes. So sorry. Yeah, I came apart. I re-welded it. Yeah. Came on welded, guys. Oh, there we go. Yeah, trying to take it slowly. Oh, crap. Okay, yeah. It's welded. Trust, it's welded. It does that, don't worry. Yeah. So, welded. Oh, welded. Yeah, wow. Can't make turns in this truck. Sorry. We can only stay in 4-0. Yeah. So sorry. I realize that you cannot. It's not a tutorial. Hey, it's working! Hey. It's working. Woohoo. Woohoo. Alright, well, that's it for this video.